How we communicate, having in mind that we meet every other week, or we have the process meeting once a month, we don't have an office. So sorry, that's a misspelling mistake. We communicate via WhatsApp for informal stuff. We have a WhatsApp group, and in WhatsApp, we've got different pods, the groups for different pods, and we communicate there if there is something very informal to communicate. If not, obviously, Google Chat, emails, and we've got a shared drive where we share, obviously, every single project that we are working on, and you can co-work with your colleague there. Everything is going to be there. You can check anything, and we communicate through that. The pod leaders check on the group in a weekly basis for blockers and capacity. Naomi doesn't want to overwhelm anyone with work because we need to be creative to come up with challenges for the readers and to come up with new ideas. So she doesn't want us to be at capacity. If anyone is at capacity, she'll try to give you less work. Group meetings, like I said before, are agreed with the team members at the beginning of the year, as this is every single year, just in case the situation has changed in your personal life. She sends an email about, how many hours are you going to be working, what are your working hours. Some people take Wednesdays off, some people take Fridays off. It's totally okay, but then the days or the hours that we all work together, we try to have the meetings there. Something very cool is that we host yearly retreats in Italy and UK to recharge, to have some time in person together, which we don't get many opportunities to do interesting workshops. And Darcy, which is Naomi's dad, who is the finance director, he shares with us where we are, how we are going there, if the company is doing well, if the business is in red or not. And we just had our Italy retreat last week, actually. And then the flat structure, in tandem, or at tandem, sorry, you can't be promoted. There is no way someone is going to be above you. Obviously, the boss, she is above everyone, but there are no supervisors or managers or anything like that. You can take on more projects that are more complex, that are more difficult. You can take campaigns or clients that have proved, different to work with, but you are not going to be promoted. And this actually is great because the way you feel among your peers is amazing. You're not talking. It's not like you are over me and you are talking over me. We are all the same. And we all get paid the same per hour. Everyone. From Naomi to me, we all get paid the same per hour.